is going to be probably the most unique project that we've done. It's not every day that you're going to build a globe. We're making a 6-foot diameter globe with the continents on it that is made out of stainless steel round stock, rolled into basically circles and all tacked together and welded up.
I didn't know if it was even possible to complete this project, and when I seen the blueprints, I was like, okay, this is going to be a handful. So I was just excited that I get to have a hand in this project, knowing it's going to be seen by so many.
I was honestly shocked. I didn't really think it was doable. I had never worked on a project like this, so I was intrigued and super excited to get my hands on it.
We're definitely using our CNC plasma cutting machines to cut out the continents and cut out the base plate materials and so on to actually put it all together.
Starting out with the base, we stick welded the base.
That was a lot of fun. It was thick, heavy stainless steel, and stick welded it, obviously, which was a little different.
After doing the base, we moved on to the globe portion of things.
We decided to build a fixture to lay the globe sideways so that we could actually spin it and roll it so that it was a lot easier to reach the top and the bottom.
As far as the round pieces of round stock, we're going to actually put them in it's called an angle roll, but we put dies in it that you can actually roll round stock and you can make it into circles.
At the top and the bottom where the rods came together, we stick welded those to get them in position, and basically the rest of it was the MIG welding process.
Patience was key in this project because we wanted everything perfect and for the right reason. So, you just take a deep breath if things get crazy and just get back and focus on it.
I would say the most challenging part was keeping the rods spaced properly, because when you start to weld stainless and get it heated up and so forth, it kind of warps a little bit. So things were moving a little, so we had to kind of clamp things fast to hold everything in place so that it wouldn't move that much.
It was a slow process, but it was an incredible process, so it was a great experience.
Quite the interesting project to get everything lined up and get everything fit to the circumference of the globe itself. Glad I did not have to shape the continents.
This material, being 304 stainless, requires an extreme amount of force to be able to do that actual shaping process. We were fortunate enough by having our power hammer that we were able to do a stretching process to get the panels as close to the contour of the globe as we possibly could. The actual globe itself presented its own challenges in order to attach the continents to it. So we used a resistance spot welding system, which is utilized within collision repair. We attached it exactly the way a modern car is assembled and spot welded together.
As we think about here at the Little League International Complex how we can continue to grow, improve, bring new things and excitement to the complex, we had a brainstorm session. What could be a good photo? What could be a good installation? And we came up with the idea of a globe. So we turned to Penn College and said, well, maybe they can help us engineer this thing first and foremost. Thankfully, they have the expertise to do it, and we're always happy to work and collaborate with our friends at Penn College. The globe's incredible. I think as fans walk up here, entering our complex and our stadium from around the world, seeing their countries displayed here, I think it's going to be a great installation for years to come here at the Little League International Complex.